How to redirect a URL in WordPress. I am going to show you how you can easily redirect a URL in WordPress. There are several plugins available in the WordPress plugin repository that allows you to easily set up URL redirection. One popular option is the redirection plugin. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for Redirection. Install and activate the redirection plugin. After activation, go to Tools, Redirection, to set up your redirects. Enter the old URL in the source URL field and the new URL in the target URL field. Click on the Add Redirect button to save your changes. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can manually edit your site's htaccess file to set up redirects. Access your website's files using an FTP client or file manager provided by your hosting provider. Locate the .htaccess file in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Open the .htaccess file in a text editor. To redirect a single URL, add the following line to the .htaccess file. Redirect 301 with this link. Replace old URL with the path of the old URL relative to the root directory of your website and replace with this site with the full URL of the new destination. Save the changes to the .htaccess file and upload it back to your server. After setting up the redirect, test it by accessing the old URL in your browser. It should automatically redirect to the new URL you specified. Make sure to clear your browser cache before testing the redirect to ensure that you are not seeing a cached version of the page. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.